We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, I'm Nathan with Onyx Imaging, and today we're going to look at this HP OfficeJet 8210. Today we're going to change the ink out for you guys. So on this one, you have underneath it and the whole top of the cell. The print head would move over here, and all you have to do is push in and out and it will pop out. To put it back in, we're just going to slide it in and push it in. Then we're going to close up the lid and you should be good.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.